Hello everyone, today we will learn about multiplication and division. Let's understand why do we need multiplication and division. What is multiplication? Multiplication is a fast way to add the same number many times. It tells us how many times are in equal groups. Multiplication as repeated addition. Example, 3 multiply 4 means 3 added 4 times. We are adding 3 4 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 gives us 12. Or same you can use in multiplication. 3 multiply 4 gives us 12. Now we have equal groups concept. 3 multiply 4 can also means 3 groups of 4 items. Means 3 groups we have of 4 items. 4 plus 4 plus 4 gives us 12. Okay. We have symbol and parts of multiplication. The symbol is a cross symbol. Factors multiply factors gives us the product. For example, 6 multiply 2 gives us 12. So 6 and 2 are the factors and 12 is the product. Let's better understand with an example. 2 multiply 5 is 2. Means 2 groups of 5 stars we will make here. So 5 plus 5 gives us 10 stars. Multiplication helps counting faster than adding one by one. Okay. Also, another example with a story. We have 4 baskets with 3 mangoes each. So 4 multiply 3. So we have 4 baskets with 3 mangoes each. So let's count together. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many mangoes? 12 mangoes. We have some real life uses of multiplication. Where do we use in our life multiplication? Like counting items in rows, price of many same toys, students standing in equal lines. That saves us our time and effort. Next, we will understand multiplication on a number line. Suppose I have an example, 3 multiply 4. We will start it with 0. Start at 0, jump 3, 4 times. We will land on 12. We have a number line here from 0 to 15 numbers on it. We will start from 0. And how many times we jump? 4 times. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3 numbers gap we will jump 4 times. We will skip 3 numbers, then jump 4 times and we will land on 12. So this is the first method to understand multiplication on a number line. There is a warm-up practice also. You can solve it quickly. Next, have a multiplication table of 2. How can you memorize the table? We can skip count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Like this, you can make a series of table 2 by skipping 2 every time. Okay. Similarly, for multiplication table of 3 also, you will skip 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Like this, you can make a complete series of the table. Also, for the multiplication table of 4 and 5 also, we will use the same series. We will skip 4, 8, 12, 16. For 5 table also, we will skip 5 every time in each step. 5, 10, 15, 20. Like this wise, the tables you can generate yourself from 6 to 9 also. We will skip 6 every time in each step. In 6 table, in 7 table also, in 8 table also, or in 9 table also. Likewise, you can make the bigger tables also. Tables from 10 to 12 also. We will use the similar method. We will skip that steps every time. Means table of 10, we will skip 10 each time in each step. So that will make a complete series of a multiplication table. Okay. Why do we learn tables? And what are the tips? We can learn in chunks. We can use some songs and patterns. We can practice skip counting. You can test it yourself daily to better understand the tables. Now we understand one rule, order rule. The changing order does not change the answer. Means 3 multiply 5. We can also write 5 multiply 3. That gives the same answer, 15. Okay, multiplying by 1 and 0, what makes the difference? If we multiply a number, suppose 7, multiply 1, gives us the same number. And we multiply 7 by 0, it gives us nothing. The answer will always come 0. We have a word problem here. We have 6 toy cars in 4 equal rows. So we will count all the number of cars. How many cars we have now? 24 cars. Okay. We have a second word problem. Each kid gets 5 stickers. So 7 kids multiply 5. So it gives us 35 stickers. Okay. Now let's understand what is division. Division means sharing equally or forming equal groups. This is the opposite of multiplication. We have a symbol of division here. Dividend, divide, division gives us quotient. For example, 18 divided by 3 gives us 6. Now we will understand by sharing method example. 10 is divided by 2. So how we will understand it? We are sharing 10 candies between 2 kids. So how many candies each kid get? 5 candies, 5 candies each. Okay. Now we have one more grouping method example here. 15 divided by 3 means we are making groups of 3 from 15. 5 groups we will make here of 3 items. 5 groups. Okay. That is a grouping method. You can understand the division. Now we will understand division on a number line. For example, 12 divided by 4. We will start at 12. We will jump back minus 4. Every time 4 back steps until the 0 comes. 3 jumps. Okay. Then we get the answer 3. Understand why division is useful? Why division is useful? For fair sharing, arranging in groups, splitting money or food equally. We have a word problem here. 24 balloons packed in bags of 6. So 24 is divided by 6. How many bags? 4 bags. Now there is a relation between multiplication and division. How? If 6 multiply 4 is 24, then 24 divided by 4 is 6, or 24 divided by 6 gives us 4. Okay. We have a fact family example now. 7 multiply gives us 35. If we write 35 divided by 5 gives us 7, or 35 divided by 7 gives us 5. Also another fact family also, 6 multiply 3 is 18, or 18 divided by 3 gives us 6, or 18 divided by 6 also gives us 3. We have a missing number practice here. You can practice. We have a long multiplication intro. Example, 23 multiply 3. So we will make a grouping. 20 multiply 3. Then another one is in the bracket 3 multiply 3. Now this gives us 20 multiply 3 is 60 plus 3 multiply 3 is 9. So 60 plus 9 is 69. Okay. Now we have long division intro. For example, have to divide 48 by 4. So step by step equal sharing is 12. Gives us 12. Now let's understand the steps for long division. Divide the digits from the left. Write the answer on top, that is quotient. Multiply quotient by divisor. Subtract the result. Bring down the next digit. Repeat until finished. Leftover number is the remainder. Example here is 475 is the dividend. Dividing it into parts by 5. 5 is the divisor here. First, see how we dividing. Okay. I will explain you the steps. Take 47 because 5 is greater than 4. So 47 divided by 9. 47 divided by 5 gives us 9. Write 9 on top. Now 9 multiply 5 is 45. 47 minus 45 gives us 2. Bring down 5 makes 25. 25 divided by 5 gives us 5. Write 5 in question. 5 multiply 5 equals to 25. 25 minus 25 is 0. No digits left now. Remainder is 0. What are the key points we need to learn here? Work from left to right. Top answer is the question. Leftover value is remainder. Repeat steps until no digits remain. Remainder 0 gives us the exact division. Okay. Next, we have some multiplication tricks. We have to multiply by 10. So just add a 0 at the end. 5 multiply 10. How you will write 5 and at the end just add a 0. 5, 0. while you multiplying by 5, you have to remember half of multiplication of 10. Multiplication of 2, just double the number. These are the smallest tricks for multiplication you can use. And there are some common mistakes we do. Wrong table facts, unequal grouping, forgetting to subtract completely in division. Right? Given you a mixed practice set here, can practice and also can do a class activity. You can make groups using beads, sticks or drawings, then divide them equally among your friends. Okay, see you in the next session.